go to the jury on Monday. CBS 11's J.D. Miles was in court today. He has details from the Frank Crowley Courts building.
A surprisingly short Saturday court session after defense attorneys were stymied by the judge, who restricted testimony of their experts to the point that legal analysts say the defense could not use them effectively. Amber Guyger's defense team wanted to call former DISD Police Chief Craig Miller to the witness stand to testify that he thought the actions of the former Dallas police officer on the night she shot and killed Botham Jean were reasonable.
The actions of Amber Guyger are consistent with what I actually saw in working 75 officer-involved shootings.
Prosecutors were allowed to hear some of the testimony before bringing in the jury, and they objected. The judge upheld that objection and prevented Miller and Texas Ranger David Armstrong from testifying in front of the jury that they both believe Guyger's actions were not criminal based on her state of mind at the time.
I think there's experts that'll tell you that with the rulings that she's made yesterday and today, that she's coming across not being fair to both sides.
Criminal defense attorney and former Dallas County prosecutor Pete Schulte has worked on both sides of the legal system and believes the testimony should have been allowed.
And it's shocking to me that some of the information that they're trying to put in front of this jury as experts are being excluded by the court. I think it's a mistake, and I think that it potentially is showing some bias against the defense and for the state.
Schulte believes it's possible the defense could rest its case on Monday based on the rulings. That means the defense case hinges on the credibility of Guyger, who tearfully testified yesterday that she made a terrible mistake after entering John's apartment thinking it was hers.
I was scared. Whoever was inside my apartment was going to kill me. And I'm sorry.
The family of Botham Jean left the courthouse this morning knowing that a verdict may be coming soon after a year-long wait for justice. The trial will resume on Monday at 9:30 a.m. The big remaining question will be whether lesser included offenses than murder will be offered as an option to the jury. In Dallas, J.D.